Roads blocked, angry residents stage protests in Ferry Hill, Portland. 2 wounded in Caymans Bay attack. Pregnant woman on $2.5 million gas station fraud rap granted bail. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Several residents in Ferry Hill, Portland, are staging a protest over a lack of water and what they describe as poor road conditions. Angry residents have used debris to block the roadway and are calling on authorities to address their concerns. As a result of the protests, several residents have been inconvenienced as transport operators are said to be avoiding the area. More details later. 2 men were wounded in an attack on a property at Caymans Bay, St. Catherine on Monday morning. One of them was shot in the incident, which occurred about 10 a.m. It is reported that the 3 men from Central Village went to an open lot at Tarzan District to pick akis. They were confronted by a man who instructed them to leave the property, but they refused. The man reportedly left and returned with a group of men armed with machete and a shotgun. One of the victims was chopped in the face, while another was shot in the back. The 3rd man escaped. The police were called and the wounded men transported to the hospital for treatment. A female gas station office manager was granted $700,000 bail after she was charged with larceny as a servant relative to $2.5 million that has gone missing from the business account. The accused, 30-year-old Sashige Lee of Portmore, St. Catherine, appeared in the St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday. It is alleged that Lee allegedly defrauded $2.5 million from the gas station in Spanish Town, St. Catherine between November 2022 and February 2023. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that the null complainant conducted an audit of his business account to which Lee had access. The complainant discovered that the sum was missing from the account. The police stated that Lee was confronted and the matter was reported to the station. Lee was later arrested and subsequently charged.